Yes, Coleman.
Question from Peter. How to work with sadness that tires us or causes me to stop making efforts?
Sadness is something very, very difficult, very bad, totally wrong. There cannot be sadness in a person. It degrades a person, brings him very low. You must not be in sadness, because by this you are cursing the Creator, who created the world in a way that you feel in His world, sad, annulled, that you are powerless, you have no desire. This state, you must fight against it. You must fight against it. Everything good, anything but to be sad.